Bye, Layla. Bye, Eric. See you after work. Bye. I won't have to worry about it raining because, or like anything like that, like swimming, because it's very sunny and it's almost the summer for the kids. Mom, can we go outside? Oh yeah, yes you can go outside. Okay, thanks. You're so good at it. Let me try. Okay, here you go. Thanks, Olivia. Is this how you do it? Oh. I guess. Okay, not really, but it's okay. You'll learn how to do it. Yeah. I'm gonna go sit in the living room. Let me put my phone too. What? What? It started to rain? It's literally almost the summer. Kids, get inside and put on your rain outfits. Oh, okay. I didn't know that it would rain in the summer. Me too. Just a little here. Then you can go back outside. Okay. I lost my umbrella. My umbrella? Oh. I think it's in my room. So I don't know why I wrote it's my room. So I'm just gonna use Mom's right now. Hey, you have the phone here. Oh yeah. And this one is mine. Let me get my rain boots. Let's put my umbrella down. Ah! I'm gonna put my Adidas over here, and I don't want them getting wet. Let me put my shoes over there. Get in the umbrella. Yay, this is so fun! Oh. Since it's a rainy day, I'm gonna make my kids some hot chocolate. Some Haitian hot chocolate and some Haitian bread. Okay, I'm done with the first one. Let's clear the table first. Put that there. Okay, I have everything. Let's put these flowers over here. Get my phone and put it over there. Take a shower. You guys are really dirty. No. I like to take a shower, but I don't want to go inside. It's getting really late, kids. Come on. Okay, we're coming. Okay, put all your wet clothes over here so I can wash them. this on and take my socks off. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm wearing my mom's stuff. This shirt, these pants. And Mom also got this new box of stuff. I'm gonna take these to her. She will let me. It takes okay, you can go now. Okay, come on, let's go. Thanks, Mom. I'm here. Thanks, Mom. This is so good. Love you, Mom, so much. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. I love you, Mommy. Thank you. Okay, bye, guys. That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye.